Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you fresh edible garden design and 10 ideas to create a beautiful and bountiful space at home. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An edible garden is a garden that is designed to produce food. Edible gardens can be any size, from a small container garden on a patio to a large backyard garden. They can be formal or informal, and they can be planted with a variety of different plants, including vegetables, herbs, fruits, and flowers. An edible garden landscape is a garden that is designed to be both productive and visually appealing. Edible garden landscapes incorporate edible plants into the overall design of the garden. This can be done by planting edible plants in mixed beds with ornamental plants, or by creating dedicated edible gardens that are designed to be both beautiful and productive. Advantages of having an edible garden in your home. There are many advantages to having an edible garden in your home. Some of the benefits of edible gardens include: 1. Fresh, healthy food. Edible gardens provide you with a fresh, healthy source of food. You can pick your own produce and eat it within minutes of harvesting, which means that you get to enjoy the best possible flavor and nutrition. 2. Reduced environmental impact. Edible gardens help to reduce your environmental impact by reducing the need to transport food from long distances. They also help to improve air and water quality. 3. Increased physical activity. Gardening is a great way to get exercise and fresh air. Edible gardens can provide you with a fun and rewarding way to get more active. 4. Educational opportunities. Edible gardens can be a great way to teach children about where their food comes from and how to grow their own food. They can also be a fun way to learn about different plants and gardening techniques. How to make an edible garden look good. When designing an edible garden, it is important to consider the overall appearance of the garden. Edible gardens can be just as beautiful as traditional ornamental gardens. Here are a few tips for making an edible garden look good. First, choose plants that are visually appealing as well as productive. There are many beautiful varieties of edible plants available, such as ornamental peppers, flowering herbs, and edible flowers. Second, plant edible plants in mixed beds with ornamental plants. This will create a more natural and visually appealing look. Third, use edible plants to create focal points in the garden. For example, you could plant a dwarf fruit tree in the center of a bed of flowers. Fourth, add decorative elements to the garden, such as trellises, arbors, and bird baths. This will help to create a more inviting and visually appealing space. How to make an edible garden in a small space. If you have a small space, you can still create an edible garden. Here are a few tips. First, grow edible plants in containers. Containers can be placed on patios, balconies, and even rooftops. Second, choose vertical growing systems. Vertical growing systems allow you to grow more plants in a smaller space. Third, grow dwarf varieties of edible plants. Dwarf varieties of fruit trees, vegetables, and herbs are perfect for small spaces. Fourth, interplant different types of plants. Interplanting allows you to grow more plants in a smaller space. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 of the best edible garden design ideas. 1. Plant edible plants in mixed beds with ornamental plants. This is a great way to create a garden that is both productive and visually appealing. 2. Use edible plants to create focal points in the garden. For example, you could plant a dwarf fruit tree in the center of a bed of flowers. 3. Add decorative elements to the garden, such as trellises, arbors, and bird baths. This will help to create a more inviting and visually appealing space. 4. Grow edible plants in containers. Containers can be placed on patios, balconies, and even rooftops. 5. Choose vertical growing systems. Vertical growing systems allow you to grow more plants in a smaller space. 6. Grow dwarf varieties of edible plants. Dwarf varieties of fruit trees, vegetables, and herbs are perfect for small spaces. 7. Interplant different types of plants. Interplanting allows you to grow more plants in a smaller space. 8. Create a kitchen herb garden. A kitchen herb garden is a great way to have fresh herbs on hand for cooking. 9. Grow edible flowers. Edible flowers can be added to salads, soups, and stews. They can also be used to make decorative garnishes. 10. Create a pizza garden. A pizza garden is a great way to grow all of the ingredients that you need to make your own homemade pizzas. Edible garden design is a great way to add beauty and function to your home. With a little planning, you can create a garden that is both productive and visually appealing. Whether you have a large backyard or a small balcony, there are many ways to create an edible garden. If you are interested in creating an edible garden, I encourage you to do some research and plan your garden carefully. There are many resources available online and in libraries. You can also talk to other edible gardeners or visit local edible gardens for inspiration. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of refreshing edible garden design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.